Hey, good morning, everyone. I just finished my morning cardio. I prefer to do my cardio fasted. That's just because, I like not to be bloated, have an empty stomach, and get my cardio out of the way. After my morning cardio, I have my routine breakfast. This is a breakfast that I've been eating for, I would say, the past 3-4 years. It's vegetarian, it is vegan, so I really enjoy this breakfast. I feel like it was a crucial part of me losing a significant amount of fat, but also being able to maintain my muscle because it does have a lot of protein, adequate amount of protein. So here it is. This is my first vlog, and I'm going to show you guys my morning breakfast prep. Hope you guys enjoy and try it for yourself. Oatmeal, I'll have 1 cup of oats. I split it up. I usually use 1 packet of flavored oatmeal. Um, this will give me half a cup, and then I add half a cup from unflavored oats just to split it up. And together that gives me 1 cup. Guys, the general rule of thumb is for 1 cup of oats, you want 2 cups of liquid. So what I'll usually do is add 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of vegan milk. This is oat milk, unsweetened vanilla flavor. It is absolutely delicious. Most times it is sold out, so I grab as much as I can when I can. As you can see from the expiry date, it doesn't expire very quick, so you can have it stored for a long time. If you look at the nutritious info for 1 cup, it still has a decent amount of protein. The calories are decent, the sugar is decent, so it's a great substitute for milk, especially for a lot of people. Milk will cause acne and bloating and digestive issues, so switching over to something like oat milk is not only more environmentally friendly, but actually might be better for your health. We'll go directly into the pan with the oatmeal in it. Put it on medium and stir it, not too aggressively, for about 5 minutes, and this oatmeal will be ready to consume. So in 5 minutes time, I'm going to show you how this oatmeal is going to look like. So 5 minutes later, guys, it's done. It's ready to be cooled off. So I'm going to put it in my favorite bowl and let it cool off before I add the rest of the ingredients. What I do next is add some trail mix. You can get any trail mix you prefer. I usually get the ones without candy or sugar in it, and I do switch it up. I'm not too picky about the trail mix. You got to be careful with adding trail mix because a little goes a long way. Even though it is healthy fats, at the end of the day it's very high in calories and still high in fat, so you don't want to consume too much. Even this is a lot. However, I do weigh 230, 225 pounds, so I'm going to be okay with that, but be moderate when using nuts. On top of that, I'm going to add some cinnamon, and the next is going to be adding some fruit. Next, I'll be adding some strawberries. I usually go with strawberries or bananas. I prefer strawberries because for a fruit, they are very, very nutritious, high in antioxidants, but moreover, they're also quite low in sugar compared to other fruits. So that's why I prefer strawberries, and they taste delicious. We got one more ingredient. The last ingredient is gonna be Miss Butterworth's maple syrup, no sugar added. As you can see, it's only 20 calories for a quarter cup. You can skip on this or you can use it. It's up to you. It does add a little bit of more flavor to it, makes it easier to eat. I'm not gonna put a whole lot on it, but just a little bit goes a long way. Add some flavor. I do feel like treating myself today. I'm going to be training twice a day. So, you know, a little bit of maple syrup isn't going to hurt. This is a great brand. I prefer you use this brand over any other. And with that, our oatmeal is prepared and ready to eat. Guys, I just finished eating that big bowl of oatmeal. I just broke my 18-hour fast. That meal is high in protein, high in healthy fats, high in fiber. It's very satiating. It's gonna keep me full for a very long time. I may not have another meal for 3-4 hours. In addition to that, because my body was in a fasting mode, most of the oatmeal I ate is gonna be it's going to take some time to digest. My body isn't going to get any nutrients immediately. So therefore, I'm also going to have a protein shake just in cold water. I'm going to add 1.5 scoops. And I'll show you guys which protein shake or which protein supplement I am using and why I'm using this specific brand. This is the protein I'm using. It's the Hydra Pure 100% hydrolyzed whey protein by Nutrabolics. It isn't cheap, but it tastes amazing. And what's most impressive about it, it is the most refined and micronized protein you can get on the market. It is, which means it is fast acting and easy to digest. It's also made with stevia. This vanilla milkshake flavor is phenomenal. If we look at over here, they have this kind of diagram to show the digestion speed. Most people are using whey isolate, which is also very high quality. I just prefer this. I get zero bloat. I feel as if, as soon as I, drink it, my body is, absorbing it and digesting it. There's no actual way to know that. I just feel that, and it could be a mental thing, but this is something I do really like. So 0 added sugar, 0 artificial colors, no amino spiking, which means that they actually have all the essential amino acids and not just putting a little bit, to kind of pixie dusting to show that we put it in the supplement. So if we look at it here, serving size 1 scoop, it's a little bit larger than other supplements, but we're still getting a really decent amount of protein, 28 grams, 130 calories, which isn't too bad, but the sugar is absolutely phenomenal, 1 gram. And for how awesome it tastes, that's not much at all. So please, if you want, give it a try. I'm not getting paid by these companies. I'm in no way that popular yet, but this is just something I use and I really enjoy it. Unfortunately, a lot of people are hesitant to take protein supplements. I don't know where that stems from. It's a great supplement with absolutely no side effects. The only side effect that you may get is a little bit of digestion issues, but I don't even think that's not very common. I noticed that a lot of females are hesitant to take protein supplements, thinking that they might get too bulky or muscular. That is not the case. Protein is an essential part of your diet, very important, and it helps in the repair of muscle and muscle tissue. So please don't be hesitant to take it. Additionally, if you're trying to lose weight, protein has many benefits. It helps secrete hormones that make you feel more full and decrease your appetite. It also suppresses ghrelin. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone. It's the hormone responsible for how hungry you feel. And simply the act of digesting protein by your body increases your overall metabolic rate, which is very important if you want to lose weight on a long-term basis. And secondly, the main function for most people for consuming protein is to build muscle mass. And the more muscle mass you have overall, the more fat your body will burn. So there are many benefits to taking protein supplements. Please don't shy away from it. Incorporate it into your diet and you'll see, definitely see some results.